सोहा, इतने सारे यंगस्टर्स सेट्स पे रहते थे और यंगस्टर्स और उस एक्सपीरियंस सीनियर लोगों का एक ब्लेंड सा बना हुआ था सेट्स पे, कैसा माहौल रहता था?
um, जैसे आपने कहा एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर्स भी थे, older actors थे, younger actors थे. In fact, Puri from like 20 to you know much older. We spanned like a lot of years, but I think atmosphere on the set was essentially very relaxed. क्योंकि I think जो सब actors थे, especially experienced actors, बहुत secure थे, बहुत calm थे, अपने काम को बहुत सही तरह से जानते थे. So they were very calm, very relaxed. So we were able to have fun when the camera wasn't rolling. It's not like everybody was tense about anything. So we had lots of fun with Waheeda ji. I worked more with Waheeda ji on the set. I worked less with Puri और अनुपम खेर के साथ हमारे कोई भी scenes नहीं थे. किरण खेर के साथ थोड़े scenes थे. So again, I think that it was a wonderful.
तो बताइए, सबसे ज़्यादा मस्ती मजाक प्रैंक्स कौन करते थे?
I think it's very difficult कि ये बात मैं डर जाती हूँ कि ये बात अभी डाइवर्ज करना चाहिए या नहीं. हम कुणाल के साथ बात कर रहे थे कि अच्छा हम सही बताए क्या हुआ या नहीं बताए कि सेट पे एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था पर्दे के पीछे एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई थिंक कि जो सबसे मिस्chievous थे वो जानते हैं वो कौन है. और I think Kunal's name has to come up. We'd all agree. He's, big practical joker. Lekin surprisingly, so is Amir, I think. He's got this mischievous gleam in his eye all the time. And you have to be very careful of what's going on. But I think everybody on the set was... So I said, Amir also has this like constant mischievous gleam in his eye. And it's there for a reason. So you have to be on your toes. When we were shooting, you had to know where your phone was, know where all your all your things were. But I had a lot, and these people have become very close friends now.